So for the Premiere project check-in, we are not yet done with this project, so it does not need to yet be complete, but I will be checking that the file name is correct, that you have 4 keyframes, 2 at the beginning and 2 at the end, none in the middle. I'll be checking to make sure the image stays on the screen and that the scale changes at least 20% over that 5 seconds, but never ever goes over 100%. I'm not going to be looking at transitions or your captions yet. So when you do upload it, it's going to look like a compressed archive. Don't worry, Google Drive just doesn't know what to make of the PRPROJ, the Premiere project. So to add this file, you want to make sure that you're giving me the right one. So look in your video project folder and open it up. That way you can check through it and make sure it's the one that has the most amount of work on it. I am going to be checking each one of the keyframes. So I'm going to select your first picture and just jump. So this goes from 50 to 100, so maximum zoom. And I'm just going to go through and check each one of these. I don't need your ingredients. I'm just looking at the numbers here. So I won't be able to see your pictures, but I'll be able to see exactly what you did with them, making sure you zoomed out on at least one in each category, and so on. So that is the one that we want to turn in. So I'm going to go ahead and close Premiere and attach that file to the assignment. Add or create a file and make sure you browse to your video project folder. That's where we expect to see it. It should have 3 project folders here. This is the most recent, and just attach it. It's a very small file. Again, it's just the recipe, not the pictures or titles that you made as ingredients. And of course, don't forget to turn it in. If I add this video, then you will see this video on how to turn in this assignment. So I hope you watch this video so that you turn it in correctly. I will add a question just to make sure that you actually watched it.